Round 2, fight. Kick things off with Blue Storm Battle Princess Electra.
Okay.
And that's my turn.
4th turn.
Never up.
Heal, can't. Obviously.
Electra again.
Go for it. Yeah, but I'm not sure how I feel about Restanding Strides. Like I say, the numbers hit so heavy.
Voivus. Tap for 14.
Go. But yeah,
Heal.
you can. Turn. Penguin. Penguin 9.
Power draw.
4. 14. To your 14.
Never up.
Silver Wolf.
Tidal.
Return.
Ride Anger.
Yeah.
Call the crit. Put it back to deck. Second wave, draw.
Just got a message from Dominic. He's not interested in my Aqua Force deck anymore. Oh, dear.
Couple.
Oh,
Voivus.
I should just try and learn to play them. That's
11 Vanguard.
Doopy doopy doop doop. Can you swap with the one behind it for 9?
Yep.
Ah, man, that sucks. What's the Vanguard and the booster going to be?
16.
Power.
Second wave from the crit, I draw.
How much? 16.
16.
And I'm 14. 14, so 10 no pass, isn't it?
10
No.
would be a 2 to pass.
Would it? Oh yeah, yeah, triple. Yeah, go. Yeah, go.
Twin Drive.
For some reason I just assumed, I don't know.
Tetra. Tidal.
My turn?
9 rear.
Do I want to protect you? I don't know. I don't know. Drop 5. My turn? Probably didn't need to do that, to be honest. Ride. Stride. Yeah, I had the worst start for this. Select him. $16 to your rear. Intend to save.
Will do.
Vanguard. 30.
I do not guard.
Cool. Drive check. Stand power. Stand power. Effect from this, when you've got one face up GB unit, give 4k to a rear guard and then draw. So 4k there. 4k from this as well when I attack you.
I am going to give power to Voivus.
Cool. But let's have a look. So let's have a little think here. So it's got 9, 16, 20, 24, 34. How many cards in hand?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, Vanguard. Cool. That's in turn. I draw 1 because of his skill. That drops his skill when a card is, well, I can read exactly, when it's put into the drop zone from the end of a turn. Search your deck for a copy of that card, add it to hand. So he's dead, but I can go through the deck and get a copy of him and add it to my hand. And
then you draw another one from Dark Bill.
I've done that. Well, no, I haven't actually. That's a good point. Draw 1 from Dark Bill. Why not? There. Now, do. Your turn.
Okay. Stand all units. And draw.
Guess what's coming? Death.
I'm going to stride into Marine General of Heavenly Scales Tidal Ball.
Cool. What's his effect again?
Basically, third wave or more, if the attack hits,
yep.
I draw a card, and optional, I can superior call a card from my hand.
What?
So.
Oh,
yeah.
I see. I got what you're saying.
Call the crit. Use the crit skill, since I've got a Vanguard with blue wave in its name.
Seriously good consistency with that.
Yeah. Switch these two.
Okay.
Call and call.
Okay.
Right, so we will kick things off with Copple Dagger for 11.
Power. Can't hit, yep. Oh wait, what is it boosted for?
16.
So, 5 more, and you can't hit me, as it were. I'm very tempted just to take it.
Tidal restands with -5.
Yep, it's fine.
31 Vanguard, PG, maybe?
Yep. Let me see what I've got to drop. What can I drop?
And before I forget, viewers, crit skill, since it's second wave or more, draw.
Come.
Triple drive. First check. Second check. Critical. I think I will give the power and crit to Voivus.
Okay, so it's 14.
And then final check. Power Voivus, and I draw. 19 with crit, so that's just 5 side.
I drop. My turn.
And Tidal Ball goes there.
Kind of annoying situation I'm in. Right. And I will also stride. Now give me a sec, I just gotta figure out some numbers in my head. Not much point doing that. How many cards in your hand?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 8 cards in my hand. Now, this is just a reminder that Magna Gamma is counterblast when his rear guards are above 20k. I cannot guard with grey ones or higher. Is that right?
Yeah. But the columns, it's only the columns, and they have to be 20k or greater, which means I have to mess around with some numbers.
So in other words, I have to sacrifice my rear guards to stay alive.
Something to that effect. I've just got to decide in which way I'm doing this. Yes, this is a little more difficult than I hope. One sec, just going to double check something. Slight misplay, slight, but we'll see what we can do about that. That build skill. This card.
Get out of your time.
Counter blast 1. Turn 1 copy of yourself face up. They both columns gain 4k, and the effect, as we said, you can't guard with
Grade 1s or higher if they are over 20k.
Okay, so right now, this column is 15. So yeah, not
straight 5.
Yeah, no. This column is 21, and obviously the Vanguard we don't consider. Obviously, because I've got Leopold in the Soul, that's 13. So it's 28.
It only gains.
Oh, what that?
It only gains the base power of the heart.
Really?
It doesn't gain
the base. But the base is 13 now. I've got Leopold in the Soul, so it doesn't count. All right.
The soul effects don't count.
Oh, it's unusual, but okay. I've never really run Leopold reverse and underneath it before. Okay. Tend to save it.
I hate you. I honestly hate you. Bye bye, title.
Your Vanguard, 31.
Okay, obviously that I'm not going to allow.
Okay.
Perfect guard with Electra, and I will happily ditch an Anger Boil to do that.
Okay. Triple drive. Heal. I can. Power here. I heal 1. Second check. Third check. Back heal.
Okay.
So no extra crits or anything else. But that is 26. Your Vanguard and can't guard with Great Walls.
That's fine.
So nothing too dangerous, to be honest.
Full effects.
Okay. That's it. Yeah. I can't pull that build skill off because I wasn't able to drop anything at the time. So go for
it. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, this is where I'm at my most dangerous. So, we will stride into Tetraboil. retire my couple dagger for my crit. Use the skill for the 3rd time in this game. Use my starter skill, put it into soul. 2nd wave draw, 5th wave gains a crit. But now this is where the fun really begins. Use my call Seagull Soldier, use its secondary skill to Soul Blast and give any unit of my choice 3k.
Okay.
So Voivus is going to gain 3k, and we will do it again for Voivus to gain another 3k. Move Nikki up and call Blue Wave Bright Soldier. So right now Voivus is at 15 on its own. So we'll do 22 to Vanguard. 26 to Vanguard.
Go for
2nd
it.
wave, I draw 2 cards first.
Go for it.
Then skill active. And then Anger Boil Stride skill. If Tetra Boil is strewn over it, I choose 2 rear guards, stand them, and they both gain 3k.
Yeah.
So, Twin Drive. 1st check, nothing. 2nd check, draw trigger. I will give power to Voivus. And I draw. So if I do my maths, 15, 15, 20, 23 to Vanguard, with Voivus on its own.
No point.